how to create a Steam account. So if you want to create a Steam account, then first things first, you need to open up your Steam app on your PC. Or if you don't have the application, then you can also go with your browser and then search for Steam Create Your Account. And you will have this kind of interface. Go with the official website, which is store.steampower.com. Click on Create Your Account. It will take you to the Create section. Now, in order to create your account, you need to first enter your email address. So enter your email address. After that, you need to again confirm your email address. Enter the country of residence and then click on I am a human. And here you need to make sure that you've clicked on I am 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms and conditions. And then go with continue. And it says that you need to check your mail for Steam to complete your account setup. So go with the mail that you've entered right here. Go with Gmail or search for mail.google.com. And here you need to click on verify my email address. Once the email has been verified, you need to go back to your Steam. And if you already have an account with that email, then you can use your existing account. Or if you want to create a new account with the same email, then you can go with continue, which will be on the bottom. And then enter your Steam account name and then choose your password. Make sure to enter a strong password and then again confirm your password and go with done, which will be on the bottom. And your account will be created. That's how you can create a Steam account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.